Let's check back in on that first alert weather because, Scott, we are tracking more severe weather tonight, tomorrow, thunderstorms, hail. What are we watching right now?
And we're watching that. Exactly, Nicole. So the alert continues for tonight. As you take a look at the first alert radar, we still have a severe thunderstorm warning continuing for Denton County. This is until 10:30. Now, analyzing the latest data coming through, still seeing that severe storm that is making its way there out of parts of the northeast sides of Denton County. You can see that hail tracker, our first alert hail tracker, showing you between Krugerville and Lincoln Park, still seeing some small hail falling, but we've noticed that the hail size is coming down. At one point, there was the threat of possibly hail up to the size of a tennis ball falling with this storm. It is now continuing to make its way down to the south and east, and that warning continuing until 10:30 for the east and northeast sides there of Denton County. So if you live in Denton, it is past you, Lincoln Park, Krugerville, between you. So we're able to see that, put a track there for you. It's still moving to the east-southeast at about 30 miles per hour. As of right now, haven't heard from the National Weather Service if they're going to extend the warning into Collin County. But we just want to give you a heads up for Prosper about 10:37, Frisco 10:39, Cumberland Crossing 10:52, approximately at 10:53 in Glendover Park. So the threat with that still may be some quarter-sized hail. From there, we turn our attention further down to the south right now. A new severe thunderstorm warning issued for parts of Navarro County, Henderson County, also down to Freestone County until 11:15. So with that, you can see that this rain shield is moving its way in, and the potential of some strong winds with this severe thunderstorm warning. So you're able to look right now southeast of Corsicana, winds towards the radar away from the radar 39 miles per hour to 42 miles per hour, maybe some 60 mile per hour wind gusts possible, and quarter-sized hail. With this severe thunderstorm warning, it is moving off towards the east at 30 miles per hour. So we're going to go ahead and put a track there for you. We can see some of the strongest winds now east of Corsicana. That is making its way east at 30 miles per hour. So we're going to give you a squall line track kind of on that leading edge of this storm that's making its way through parts of Navarro County and then continue to move into Henderson County and also then through parts of Freestone County. So Navarro Mills 10:23, Powell at 10:27, Corbett 10:30, and Retreat 10:30 as well. So quarter-size hail and maybe winds gusting up to 60 miles per hour. So that's what the couple of warnings that we're looking at right now through parts of North Texas. Want to point out, still looking at the severe thunderstorm watch. It does continue for parts Collin County, Hunt County, also for Fannin County, and then Navarro County also under that severe thunderstorm watch until midnight. And the first alert futurecast really picking up on those storms, that complex making its way west to east as we go into the midnight hour, continue then shift its way eastward. But I want to point out as we go into tomorrow, alerting you to the fact of be prepared again. Strong to severe storms possible 3 to 9 long southwest of I-20 from Tarrant County southwest. Hail, damaging winds, locally heavy rain, the biggest threats. And that's where there's that slight risk of severe storms that does include, as you can see, Parker County, parts of Dallas County, southwest for the same possibility. So here we are going into the afternoon hours, 3, 4, 5 o'clock. The first alert radar getting a bit more active, 6 to 7 o'clock. Then a lot of the activity shifts its way to the east. First alert, 7-day forecast shows that it's going to be a hot day for you tomorrow, 95 degrees, rain chances 40% to 60%. We remain hot through the weekend and a chance of showers and storms each day.